What does it mean if my furnace blower never shuts off? It usually means the thermostat fan is set to on, the furnace is overheating, or a control, wiring, filter, or duct problem is keeping the blower running. First, check the thermostat and make sure the fan setting says auto, not on, because on tells the blower to run continuously even when the furnace is not heating. If the fan is already set to auto, replace a dirty air filter, since blocked airflow can make the furnace overheat, and activate a safety feature that keeps the blower running to cool it down. Make sure supply vents and return vents are open and not covered by furniture, because the furnace needs steady airflow. A blower that runs constantly can also point to a faulty limit switch, a stuck relay, damaged thermostat wiring, or a problem with the furnace control board. One less obvious cause is a thermostat placed near a draft, heat source, or sunny window, because it may read the temperature incorrectly and keep calling for heat. Listen for unusual sounds, notice whether warm air is coming from the vents, and check whether the house is actually reaching the temperature shown on the thermostat. If the blower continues after these simple checks, turn off the furnace at its service switch and contact a qualified heating technician, especially if you smell burning, see scorch marks, or notice repeated short heating cycles. A common mistake is leaving the fan on and assuming the furnace is broken, so always verify the thermostat setting first. Another mistake is installing a filter that is too restrictive, because a very high filtration rating can reduce airflow in some systems, so use the size and type recommended by the furnace manufacturer. Do not keep resetting a furnace that overheats, since repeated overheating can damage parts and create a safety risk. Have the airflow and limit switch checked. Also, never remove furnace panels while the power is on, because moving parts in electrical connections can cause injury. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.